If you want to grow your email list, the absolute easiest way for massive growth is to run a giveaway on your WordPress website. RafflePress is the absolute best WordPress giveaway plugin that lets you set up unlimited giveaways extremely easily. Check this out. Head over to RafflePress.com or click the link in the description below. We're going to click on the button to get RafflePress now. You're going to select the account that makes the most sense for you. We're going to be using the Pro version to unlock all the features for this video. Once you have an account, let's go ahead and click on Login. On the left-hand side here, let's enter your email, your password, and click on Login. Once you're into your RafflePress account, click on the second tab here for Downloads, and let's click on Download RafflePress. Next, here on the bottom left, let's grab this license key. You can click the icon there to copy that to clipboard, and we'll close the RafflePress windows. Here, I'm logged into my WordPress website, and on the left-hand side, we have Plugins and Add New. Up top, we have Upload Plugin. We can take the zip file that we just downloaded and drop it right here, or you can click on Choose File and select that zip file. Let's go ahead and install now and activate the plugin. I'm going to paste that license key right here and verify key. Great, you should see a green success message here on the top right, and I'll close this tab on the bottom. Next, we want to start creating these fantastic and easy giveaways. On the left-hand side, we have RafflePress Now in the menu. We can click on Add New. Up top, we can give our giveaway a name. I'll call this My First Contest, and here we have templates. You can use the classic giveaway, which is just a blank template, or we can select this one to give a head start. It's called Grow Your Email List. Let's go ahead and click on this one. Here we can see the contest and giveaway builder on the right-hand side here with all of the information. We can click on these different options to modify them. On the left-hand side, we have details, actions, design, and settings. Let's start with details. Here we have the contest name here that people will see. So we can update this in the editor. I'll change the title. And here we have the description that you can update as well. We also have an image here that we can select, and normally you would put the prize that you're giving away. Let's click on Select Image. And I'll just drag an image here that I got off Unsplash, and this will be of an iPad. It's important to choose a prize that people will be interested in, especially for your specific community. Try to target it to their interests if possible. Once we're done with this, let's click on Done Editing. So here we have our title, we have our description, and we have our picture here. On the left-hand side here under Details, we have our start and end time. We have the date, and then we have the time. Let's go ahead and select one, and when the giveaway ends. We also have the time zone that you can select. And great, that's it for the details. On the left-hand side, next we can go to Actions. And the actions you'll see at the bottom of your contests and giveaways here. So by default, we have Join an Email Newsletter because we selected that template. You can also add other actions here, such as Facebook, follow us on Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, visit a YouTube channel. Down here we have Refer a Friend, watch a video, tweet a message, polls and surveys, and many, many different options that you can look through. So for example, we can say visit a YouTube channel. We can add that in here. And when we select these, you can see the options change on the left-hand side. So for example, the email newsletter. Since this is how we want to grow our email list, let's give them more points for every time they enter the contest through the email newsletter. So for example, they get 3 entries for this one, but only 1 if they visit the YouTube channel. It's not as important. Here you can trigger on sign up. So here you can click, and you can actually integrate with a third-party email marketing service. So if you want to use MailChimp or Drip or Constant Contact or any of these options, you can go ahead and do that. Simply select the one that you want and connect to MailChimp. There'll be a spot here for the API key, and if you need help, those third-party services will show you how to get that key. If you don't want to trigger on sign up, you can simply uncheck this, and let's go ahead and make this mandatory. You can have them display an opt-in confirmation box if you wish, a little bit of a description, and you're all set for your actions. Next, we have the design on the left-hand side. On the top, we have 2 different options for the layout. So we have header, text, image, or we can put the image on the top. Here we have our fonts, so you can change the font here, and we have the button color. So we can change this, for example, to red. Maybe it'll stand out a little bit more to log in. We have the page background. So if you want to put this contest or giveaway on a standalone page, you can change that background right here. So for example, let's go with a different kind of gray. You can see that that's updated, maybe an orange, and that'll pop off the page. You can also add a background image and some custom CSS if you like. Once you're happy with it, let's go to the settings page. And here we have all of these different settings. So we have general, we have the contest giveaway name, we have the page permalink. So here we can type in, for example, giveaway. Here we have some display options such as hide total entries and show winners, and limit signups per IP. So we can limit this to 3 signups per IP address. If you like, you can show the RafflePress link, and you can also join the affiliate program to get a small commission on each sale that you would send through that link. Next on the left, we have email verification. So here are some different settings you can use for that. We have success tracking scripts that you can put for onload and conversion scripts. We also have a success redirect. So if you have a page that's already set up, a redirect URL, you can enable this and put your URL right in here. We also have social logins. If you want to use the Facebook logins for your giveaways, you can turn this on and place your Facebook app ID here. If you're not sure how to get that, you can create your own app on Facebook, and that'll instruct you on how to do that. Next, we also have the GDPR compliance. So you can turn this on and you can paste your text right in here. If you like, we have a reCAPTCHA as well, and you can enable the invisible reCAPTCHA with your site key and secret key. There's also a link right here to learn how to do that. If you know what you're doing with webhooks, you can go ahead and enable these, and you can go ahead and add new webhooks. There's one here already that you can click on. There's a request URL, the format, the headers, parameter, and you can add that new header. I'm going to turn this off for now. Once you're happy with everything, let's save this. We can go ahead and publish this. And now there's 3 ways to display your giveaway on your website. You can use the WordPress block, the WordPress shortcode, which is very similar to the block, except this one has an actual code here. And then the third way is the giveaway landing page that we created with the URL here. Let's go ahead and view this page. It's already set up. And now you're just ready to go. You can take this URL and share it all over your social media with your current clients, your email list, or in person with anybody that you wish that you want them to enter your contest. Now they'll come here, they'll see the entries, the information, the prize that they might get, the information. They can log into this giveaway and they can join an email newsletter, which would sign them up to either inside of RafflePress, which you can then export those emails, or into your third-party integration that you set up earlier. If you'd like to include the contest or giveaway into a page or post, it's the exact same process for both posts and pages. Let's go to all pages, and we have a sample page here that comes with WordPress. Let's click on this. And let's say we want to put the giveaway at the end of the page. You can put this anywhere you like. The first way is to put a /, and right here you can search for RafflePress. And we have our own block here that you can click on. And right here you can select a giveaway. So this one is my first contest, and we'll select that one, and it'll embed it right into your page or post. Simply update, and we can view the page. So there you go. This is the default theme. So the contest will be embedded in whatever page or theme that you're using. So you can see this was right here. We also have the shortcode that you can use instead of this block. So for example, it's very similar. We'll do /. We'll use the shortcode. We'll come back, and on the second one here for WordPress shortcode, we'll select this. I'll simply paste this in here, and we'll save this. We'll update, view the page, and you can see that it works exactly the same way as the block. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful on growing your email list and taking it to the next level. Please check out this video on how to run a TikTok contest to grow fast. And if you'd like 15 expert tips, check out this video on how to host a successful online video contest. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.